I'm Ray, and today I'll guide you through the dashboard, where to find key features, and share tips on how to make the most of your subscription. Let's get started. On the left-hand side, you'll see the menu divided into two tabs, VOC and AI Chatbot, which are separate subscriptions. If you're subscribed to the Voice of Customer feature, you'll have access to all the tools under the VOC tab, which we'll cover today. I'm showing the enterprise plan here. So if you don't see some of these tools on your screen, you're likely on the Pro or Team plan. Double check your plan to see what's included. First up, we have the Amazon tools section, specifically related to tools for selling on Amazon. Here, you'll find tools such as the review analysis feature, our most well-known and popular tool. This is a powerful feature that dives into customer feedback on Amazon products, helping you to understand what your customers like or don't like about products in a niche. This feature generates a report. Here, you can select the Amazon Marketplace, and to get started, simply type in the main search term of the product you're interested in. Next up, we have Market Insight. This tool provides you insights on the market, helping you identify trends and opportunities in your category. For example, if you're selling water bottles and you want to know which color, black or white, is in higher demand, you can use Market Insights to get those answers. Like the review analysis, you can generate a report by selecting your marketplace and typing in the search term of your product of interest. Keyword analysis, essential for optimizing your listing. This tool helps you find high-impact keywords to improve your product's visibility. It provides everything you need to know about keywords, data such as search volume, relevancy, and so much more. Negative Review Detector. This is one of our newer features that has been extremely popular with brands and agencies that have to manage many ASINs and multiple Amazon listings. It identifies negative reviews that violate Amazon's terms of service, alerting you to reviews that can potentially be removed, helping to improve your product's star rating. Next, we move into the social media tools section. Here, VOC AI provides tools for what's happening beyond Amazon. Social listening. This feature tracks conversations and trends on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and more, giving you insight into what people are saying about relevant products and topics. Review analysis for social media comments. This is similar to Amazon review analysis, but it's focused on social media comments to help you understand customer sentiment on different platforms. Influencer analysis. This tool identifies influencers that are already talking about your products or products in your niche, helping you find potential partners to grow your brand. And finally, we have the tools section, which includes general features that help you manage and optimize your listing. AI listing. This feature helps to automate and optimize your listings for better performance on Amazon. Here, you'll find a collection of tools for specific occasional needs, such as ChatGPT for free and more. And that wraps up our overview for the VOC AI dashboard. Each of these tools are designed to help you gain insights and make data-driven decisions. If you'd like a detailed breakdown on how to use each of these tools, head over to the tutorials playlist for in-depth tutorials. I'm so thrilled for you to start using VOC AI because I know what it can do for your business. If you have any questions, reach out at any time to hello@mkt.voc.ai. Thanks for joining and happy selling!